What's holding you back from allowing more joy in your life? Today's guided practice will help you uncover any limiting beliefs, negative thought patterns, or simply resistance that may be hindering your ability to experience joy and feel worthy. With self-compassion and care, you can reframe any negative beliefs and replace them with more empowering ones so you can feel worthy of experiencing more joy in your life. Cultivate gratitude to enhance your ability to appreciate and attract more joy. Welcome to the Mindful Movement. I'm Sara Raymond. I invite you to make yourself comfortable. Begin to settle in for this practice, allowing yourself to shift into a calm and relaxed state. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling slowly through your nose and exhaling gently through your mouth. Allow any tension or stress to fade away with each exhale. Recognize the support of the surface beneath you and welcome the feeling of being held by this support. As you continue to breathe naturally now, bring your attention to your inner landscape. Imagine stepping into a peaceful and safe place within yourself, a place where you can connect with the core of your being and the different aspects of yourself. Now begin to connect with the core of your being, or your true self. Visualize a wise and compassionate presence within you. Your true self is your essence, or your wise center. It is a state of mind characterized by compassion, curiosity, and clarity. Connect with this state of mind within you. Feel the warmth and clarity of your true self as it embraces all parts of you. Now, from this connection with yourself, I invite you to bring to mind the intention of cultivating and allowing more joy in your life. Visualize this intention as a bright light or a warm energy that radiates from your heart. As you sit with this intention, take a moment to notice if there is any part of you that may feel resistant to joy. The resistant part might have beliefs, fears, or concerns that are preventing you from fully experiencing joy. Acknowledge this resistance with curiosity and compassion. Imagine sitting with this resistant part and creating a safe and open space for this part to express. In your imagination, engage in a dialogue with this resistant part. You can start by asking the resistance what its message is for you. As you listen, notice the emotions, thoughts, or memories that arise. You don't need to analyze or interpret. Simply listen. Allow this part of you to feel heard and validated. Ask the resistance gently what they fear or what beliefs they hold about joy. Listen deeply to the response, acknowledging their concerns with empathy and understanding. Remain connected with your core self. And ask the resistant part what it believes its role is for you. How does it believe it is helping you? Again, listen with curiosity and compassion for how it believes it's helping you. Invite the resistant part to express its needs. What does this part require in order to feel safe and open to joy? Listen attentively and offer reassurance that their needs will be honored and met. Thank this part for showing up today and for helping you the only way it knew how. By giving the resistance a voice and addressing its concerns, this part can gradually let go of its role in blocking joy. As you continue to hold space for the resistant part, now it's time to reimagine joy in your life. Visualize yourself engaging in activities or experiencing moments that bring you joy. Allow the feelings of joy and pleasure to fill your body and mind. Notice how the resistant part responds to this new narrative of joy. Is this part becoming more open or receptive? Embrace any positive shifts or insights that arise, and let them deepen your connection to joy. Help the resistant part reimagine safely experiencing joy. Envision and embrace a different relationship with joy, one that feels safe and authentic. Now, take a few moments to anchor this experience within you, or allow it to deeply sink in to your body. Breathe in deeply, feeling the energy of joy spreading throughout your body. As you exhale, release any remaining doubts. Know that you have the power to cultivate and allow joy in your life. Embrace the belief that you are worthy of joy and that it can flow freely into your experience. Trust in the wisdom of yourself to guide you on this path. Continue to allow this joy to spread as you relax a little further. In the realm of human experience, joy emerges as a radiant beacon, casting its vibrant light upon your life. It is a captivating dance of the soul, an exquisite symphony that resonates within you, inviting you to embrace its transformative power. Joy, in its essence, holds the key to unlocking the richness and beauty of existence. When you allow joy to flow into your life, you gift yourself with a multitude of profound benefits. It nourishes your emotional well-being, rejuvenates your spirits, and infuses each moment with a sense of wonder. It uplifts your heart and expands your capacity for love, compassion, and gratitude. Joy grants you permission to release inhibitions and dance with abandon, to sing melodies of your soul, and to express your authentic self with unabashed delight. Joy holds the power to connect you to others as a bridge that spans differences and dissolves barriers, reminding us of our shared humanity. In moments of shared joy, you can find solace, celebration, and the healing balm of connection. So, dear one, open your heart wide and allow joy to take its rightful place within you. Embrace its transformative power and let its essence infuse every fiber of your being. With joy as your guide, you will discover the profound beauty that resides in the depths of your existence. Embrace it, nurture it, and watch it blossom, creating a life full of love, meaning, and boundless joy. Take another long, slow breath in and out. When you feel ready, bring your awareness back to the space that you are in. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and open your eyes to see the world through the lens of joy. Joy is a lifelong journey, an ongoing exploration. Regular check-ins, continued work with any resistant parts, and the cultivation of self-compassion are key components of sustaining joy in the long term.